Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our third strategy for today. We are on the Smart Trader, and we're going to be trading the Bear Market Index, synthetic indices. So once you log in, we're going to be trading the in and out. Actually, we'll be trading the goes outside. So once you log into your trading account, make sure you go to the Smart Trader interface. You go to the top left corner, then you click on the Smart Trader right there, so then you go to the bear market index, you click on it, in and out. Then you're going to set your barrier offset to plus 2.7122, then the low barrier offset to be minus 1.6962. So we're going to be clicking on the goes outside, but we're going to be watching the wolf movement right here. Once it's up, once it's facing up, we're going to click on goes outside. You can see it's facing up right there, so we click on goes outside, then we click on view. So actually the movement is not, the tick movement is not showing here, but you can see we are in green already. You can see the time count right there. We are in green already. So it's back to red, but it's still our time count right there. Normally it's supposed to be showing, but somehow it's not showing there. Let me just okay, so it's showing now, so you have to click on this right here. Okay, the trade has closed. You can see we made 3.82 right there. So this is the result. Let me go to the extreme end. So it has already crossed it, so you have to go to the extreme end there. You have to click on push this right here, so it has already crossed it right there. So in case yours is not moving, just click on this for you to be able to see the movement. So we are going to trade again, but before we place another trade, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER board, as a boat right there, to order the board, visit binary visit TOUCHSCALPER.cty technology.com.ng to order the boat, and there is the PIPSREAPER boat as well. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary.pipsreaper.cty technology.com.ng. They are automated, and the PIPSREAPER boat is 7.99 and the TOUCHSCALPER boat is 9.99. So there are so many payment options on the order page. Debit card, perfect money, PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other payment options as well. And all our boats also include a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. You also get a free binary option bot. Then you get a free ebook on how to trade Forex as well. And you also get a free Forex trading bot. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. Here are the links. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Here is the link right there. Use this link. Check the video description on YouTube to get all these links. Here is the link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Make sure you subscribe. And the links to download the ebooks are here, where you get a link to download the free bots we gave out. So, and the link to, these are the links. There's a link to sign up for a Forex account to test the bots we gave out for free. And the links to download the ebooks are here, and this is the link to our forum website. So let's go back to the trading. So let's watch the world movement again. This strategy is 100% guaranteed, so just have to watch the world movement and make sure it's facing up. Okay, it's facing up there, so you click on purchase right there, then you click on view. So you are going to drag this to the extreme edge so that we can see the movement. So the barrier is not visible yet anyway, so but I'm pushing it right up for me to see where the ticks is, and I'm actually seeing the time count as a time count, and this is the current price, the indicative price is spot time and all that. Okay, so you can see we're outside there, right? And we've made 3.7 something there. So there's something wrong with Deriv today. This thing is not showing. It only shows at the end of the trade, but at least what was most important is we end up in profit. So we made almost 7 point something dollars there. So if you go on and on and on, you see that the strategy is 100% guarantee. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Don't forget to share the videos, comments, likes. Thanks for watching. Bye.